if you want it.
Haitian All-StarZ.
Got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
Team Haitian All-StarZ, DJ Hard Hit Harry.
DJ C in the building.
Yeah.
Nick Rossett here.
What's up, Nick? Welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for being part of the show, Nick.
Thank you for finally coming, Nick.
Due to incidentals and accidentals.
Yes, out of your control.
Out of my control.
Salute to DJ One, man. Hold your head up. Wait. One is out there, man, holding it down, so ran into a little bit of difficulties, so we're going to say big up to DJ One who couldn't be here today, but we got you, One, holding you down,
As always, each and every week.
That's it. Yep. What's up, Nick?
I'm good. I'm really good.
I'm glad you're here.
Thank you.
What you been up to? How was your week?
Really good. Actually, I just came back from Long Island. I want to give a shout out to my LOD, Legion of Doom, people out there in Hempstead. Keep it moving, going.
Yeah.
Big up to
Shout out
Na.
to Earthman out there in Long Island.
Yes, big up to Na, Nini and Terry Lynn. You guys are awesome. I love you more.
All right. Very good. Thanks to everybody tuning in right now. It's Haitian All-StarZ, RadioLily.com, every Friday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. right here on the corner of Sullivan and West Houston. And we have a very, very, very special guest in the building.
Yes.
Introduce yourself, lovely young lady.
Dina Simon from my Haiti Travels.
All right.
Nice.
Very good.
Welcome to the show, Dina.
Thank you.
It's been a long time coming.
Happy to be here. This is great. You guys are doing an amazing job. I love it, and the view is amazing.
This is what's up.
Live radio.
Exactly, and we inside Miss Lily's Variety. We got the shop with the CDs and the books, and the lovely counter person back there who also doubles as a bartender, so she'll be serving up drinks in a minute. You know what I mean? So we have a good time, man.
It behooves you to befriend her.
Oh yeah, definitely.
No, it's a dude. I'm sorry. I'm like, wait a minute, where'd the lady go?
Transformed.
We're just cracking jokes over here, man. Where'd the lady go? The young lady, you know what I mean?
She's there though.
But anyway,
I saw her.
Anyway, go ahead.
So definitely, Dina, man, introduce yourself. Let people know what's going on.
Well, my name is Dina Simon, and I'm the owner of My Haiti Travels, which is a boutique concierge firm that coordinates travel, high-quality travel services to Haiti. I was born in Haiti, left Haiti when I was 9, moved to New York, and always loved and been passionate about Haiti, and I revisited, fell in love all over again with the country, and I came back and wanted to share my experiences with people and show them the real Haiti.
Nice.
That's wonderful. And I like what you're doing, definitely, because that's what attracted me to your Tumblr, actually.
Right.
Yeah, you were tweeting it, and I've seen a couple of pictures and your experience and the wonderful sights and sounds that we don't normally see on a daily basis.
Absolutely.
I commend that, because when I started Haitian Also, that was the whole idea too.
Yes.
It's definitely show people a different light of things that's available in Haiti.
Right.
And so definitely get a different perspective on things.
Right. There's a lot in Haiti that we don't see.
Yeah.
And we believe at My Haiti Travels that the best way to support Haiti and the people of Haiti is to visit, spend your money, support local businesses there, and also help the people directly through volunteerism, which is why we came up with the package of Impact Week Haiti 2013.
Okay, speaking of impact, I was going to get into that.
I know.
I would like to know.
Yes.
Break it down for us.
Okay.
What is Impact Week 2013, right?
Okay, so Impact Week 2013 is one of our packages, and it's our first project. It is during Martin Luther King Jr. holiday weekend from Thursday, January 17th through Monday, January 21st. And what sets us apart, what sets Impact Week apart from other excursions, is that we have something for everyone. For 5 days, 4 nights in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, and Arcadians Coast, you get to enjoy the real Haiti. Enjoy the people, you see the country. Our travel package is filled with leisure activities, VIP parties, networking, food. Guests will enjoy cultural events, special tours and excursions that captures the true beauty of Haiti. And for those who want to give back, there will be an opportunity to volunteer and on Project Day, which is hosted by our very own Miss Haiti, Anna D. Azael, where we'll be volunteering at an orphanage. So there's something for everyone. The trip is all inclusive, all meals, all hotel stay, the beach resort stay, ground transportation, and professional escorts in Haiti. So
you pretty much is becoming a Haitian, what do you call it, travel agency?
Yes, that's what we are.
Wait a minute, what about the professional escorts? What?
No, I think that's security service.
No, pasa. Professional escorts are people who know Haiti, who will travel with us. Some of us have never been. So if we see something and we don't know what it is, someone can tell us this is this neighborhood, this is this. So that's what the professional escort is, not that other thing.
So they basically work as a cultural guide for
exactly.
Because most of the people, well, some of the people who might be coming might not even know the language.
Right.
So they might not, they'll see a lively exchange and say, oh, wait, what's going on
exactly.
there? And they're like, just somebody's just bartering.
Yes.
They're just trying to get this for that.
Yes, they're basically our guide. They're our guide, they're experts, they know Haiti, and they're traveling with us.
So the experience you get for traveling with your company is that you get not just a tourist view, but you get an insider's view.
Yes.
And you want that, because when you spend your money, like I took a trip and I had my Lonely Planet, but you know, you had to go to certain places that were open to you.
Right.
You know, so basically I stayed in some place that was central, like Old San Juan. Everybody there knows tourists are here, but they're not telling you, hey, we're going down here to where it's really going down.
Yes.
So
that's the beauty about Haiti. There are so many hidden treasures that most people don't know about. I've traveled to Haiti many times, and every time I go, I find something new. And for people who've never been, it will be an experience. I have to tell you, I brought friends with me, and it was just shocking. They were in tears from when we land. Haiti's a beautiful country, and you don't see a lot of that, and we want to show people that. So yes, it's still a very virgin Caribbean country, and which is the best time to visit and travel and see sights.
Good. Let me ask you, so this is going to be a yearly thing? Or
it is going to be a yearly thing. This will be our signature event every year. We will have other packages, and we can set up trips if someone is looking to travel to Haiti. But we do look for this to be the thing in Haiti, Martin Luther King weekend. You know, you want to get away from the cold weather in New York.
Say it again.
Wherever you are, Atlanta, Miami, it's a little hot, but still, you want to be in the Caribbean.
Yes.
Think about Impact Week, Martin Luther King weekend. We're always off on that Monday.
That's January, right?
Yes. So Thursday.
Sounds like a plan.
Yes. And hey, come have a good time. This is for multicultural groups, for everyone, just to explore and see Haiti.
All right. Question. This first one, where exactly are the people going to be in Haiti?
Okay. If you want information on where we will be, I really implore you to go on www.impactweekhaiti.com, where you will get information on rates, on the packages, and also to register for other deals that we will have throughout the years, other specials that we have, and it will give you a full view of the whole trip and experience.
Wonderful. So, besides Impact, is there anything else that you...
Well, my Haiti Travels, our whole goal is to make Haiti the go-to destination place. And we want Haiti to be the place where you want to go to experience the Caribbean, to have be with like-minded people and enjoy the social scene, and enjoy French Caribbean culture. It is part of our history. It's a very unique history, and the project is for the year Impact Haiti 2013. Impact Week is just one package. We have so much more, and there will be more to come. Look out for us.
Yeah, definitely. I see you guys are working hard. You know, definitely like the pictures. I like everything that I see so far. You know, so you know, I would like, you know, I want to thank everybody to go check it out. Question, is it myhaititravels.com or is it Impact?
It's Impact Week Haiti, myhaititravels.com. I'm glad you asked.
Yeah, because I made a few mistakes going there.
No, that's fine. So myhaititravels.com is an online destination that we're working on. And it's for information on all things related to Haiti, to travel and tourism in Haiti. On myhaititravels.com, you will find reviews and ratings of hotels, restaurants, and destinations. It's basically going to be like Zagat and Yelp, but just for Haiti. So that's kind of what's coming after Impact Week, where that site will be up. And if you're contemplating visiting Haiti and you want to know what to do, where to go, you want to review a hotel, you want to review a restaurant, you want a real authentic review from someone who's been there, who's traveled, it's the place to go. myhaititravels.com.
That's good. I mean, I like the idea. I think you're the only one who's doing that right now.
Yeah, I think that's a new concept.
Yeah, that's a new concept, and I like it. And I think you know, others will see it and will want to follow or want to participate. Can people participate? Like, say for instance, there's a restaurant in Haiti. Maybe you haven't gotten to it yet.
Right.
How can that restaurant be like, hey, I see my Haiti Travels on something?
They can review it, send us the review, we'll put it on our website.
Nice.
Again, it's authentic reviews. It's not anything sugar-coated to get someone business. If you're spending your money, we want you to have quality service. So it's real reviews. If bad or good, we want you to go and experience it.
Okay, wonderful. So let people know your Twitter.
Yes, My Haiti Travels on Twitter, My Haiti Travels. Like my page on Facebook. Instagram, My Haiti Travels all the way.
Haitian All-StarZ.